Hi guys, this is Sadik from Droidbin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to download and install the latest iOS 18 update without shelling out any bucks from your pockets. It's completely free of cost. So for the unaware, if you are planning to install a developer build on your iPhone, and as of now we have only the iOS 18 developer build. So for any such build, you will have to be a developer account. You will have to have a developer account, that is compulsory. But if you go ahead and apply for a developer account, it's quite costly. So let me show you. If you go to the Apple's developer app, and from there, if you open the app and from on your account, you could see that it's asking for 8,700 INR. Similarly, in case of dollar as well, it's quite costly. So many have said that they are unable to make a purchase. Well, in fact, you don't have to make a purchase whatsoever. You simply have to link your account with the Apple developer account. Once that is done, you could easily then download and install the update without shelling out any bucks whatsoever. So again, I am repeating, you don't have to make any payment whatsoever. Simply go to my guide, and from I will link the guide in the description. Open the link for the Apple developers app, then install the app from the App Store, tap on open, then go to the account tab, and from here you will get a screenshot which will ask you to start the enrollment. In my case, I've already done the enrollment. In your case, it will ask you to start the enrollment. So tap on it, then it will ask you to type in your address, phone number, and all such stuffs. So type in all the requirements, and once that is done, at the last you will get this option to make a payment. But don't do a payment, simply tap on cancel, and once you have tapped on cancel, you will be now be taken to this page, and as of now you should now get the continue with your enrollment. So this signifies that our Apple account is now linked with the Apple developer profile. It's just that we have not made the payment, and you don't have to make any payment whatsoever. Earlier we had to make a payment. Without doing any payment, we might not have been able to download any update whatsoever, but this is no longer required. Nowadays you don't have to make any payment. You just have to link your Apple account with the Apple developer profile. Once that is done, you could now simply go back. Now wait for a few seconds or a couple of minutes, then go to the settings menu. From there you have to go to general, then go to software update, wait for a few seconds, make sure you are online, and then you have to go to the beta update section. So it might take a few seconds. So go to the beta update and choose the iOS 18 developer beta. Once that is done, go back, and you will now get the option. You will now do an update now or update tonight based on your choice. So just to round off, this is not an issue whatsoever. You only have to install the Apple developer profile, tap on start the enrollment, and after that you will have to proceed with the on-screen instruction to complete the enrollment. Just when you reach the last screen, don't make any payment whatsoever. All you have to do is simply close the app. Once you have closed the app, you will be taken back to the account page, and from the account page you must now minimize this and then go to the settings menu and get hold of the update from here. So guys, on that note, I round off this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.